So welcome back again. If you have made it to question number 17, then I'm really proud of you, because now I actually don't see a reason why you shouldn't be able to clear the exams when you've come so far. So if you don't know me, I'm the founder of CodeJanitor, and I'm also recently CKAD certified, and I've made it my mission to also help engineers like you also clear the CKAD without overthinking. So without further much ado, let's jump right into solving question number 17. So with question number 17, it says in namespace default, we have a deployment called video API that exists. Now it has this label, app equals to video API, and then the container port is 9090. Now we are being tasked to create a service called video-svc, and then it type should be node port, and then the selector should be app equals to video API, and then the port should be 80, and then the target port should be 9090. Now please pay very good attention here, because CKAD love to throw these questions at you, and I can guarantee you that you will see one of these questions there. So whenever you see a question like this, please don't panic. Although it weighs a lot in the exams, we can actually claim the whole points without having to lose one of it. So without further much ado, let's jump right into our playground. Clear my screen first, ensure everything is wired up correctly. Now it says in namespace default, we have the deployment called video API. I will first copy the name. So get deployment and then the name. Now let's see if there is a service existing for this. Get SVC. Nope, we don't have any SVC for it, so I will clear the screen. Okay, always remember, because it says default, I do not add the namespace, but whenever you are being tasked to do it, always remember to check, because if you create it in the wrong namespace, you will lose points. Please, you might even end up losing the whole points for it, so be mindful of that. So now the best way to create a service, when you hear create a service, please don't rush to go to the documentation to say service and then what's wrong with it? Yeah, so service, and then you come here to the documentation and then look for a service YAML file to create a service. Please, you waste time. So if you really want to save time during the exams, be very fast. CKAD is not testing Kubernetes knowledge, it is testing if you can recognize patterns and then ensure that you can be fast on the command line. So basically that's it. So now with that said, we need to expose this deployment. So you first run expose. You have this command to expose a deployment. If you don't know how to use it, just write expose and then h, and then you will see how we can use the expose. So I will copy this line because of my screen. I'll make it bigger a bit. Okay, it's too big now. I'll reduce the size. Maybe this is okay. So because of my screen, I have to copy this one and clear it, but in the exams you don't need to do this. I'll copy and clear, and now I put it here. Okay, so we will run expose and then the name. We need to expose a service called video SVC. So expose, first of all, what are we going to expose? So expose deployment. If it's a port, you say expose port, but we are going to expose the deployment. So that is the type name, And then what is the port? It says the port is 80, if I remember correctly. Let's verify. It says the port should be 80, and then the target port should be 9090. So, and then target port, now you can see we have target port here, so target port is also 9090. Now you don't need to write a protocol because by default it's going to select TCP for you, unless the question says use a specified protocol, but I doubt they would stress your mind to that extent. But anyway, so it says expose deployment, and then the port is 80, the target port is 90, and then we need to give it the name. So --name. Now what is the service name? So this is the name for the service that we want to create. So video SVC, and then the type is going to be node port. So --type is going to be node port. Nice one. So we need it to be node port. Okay, so if the namespace was different, then you just have to add it, but if it's default you can leave it, but I'll add it so that you can see how we do it. So -n, and then also default. Now I will run the command. It says resource were provided but no name was specified. Okay, get SVC, it's not there. So okay, so we selected deployment, but then we didn't mention which deployment we are exposing for. So the deployment name is video API. Please remember that's video API. Now I will run it. Now we can see we have successfully exposed our service. So I will clear the screen, and then we can verify. So get SVC, and then what was the name of the SVC we just created? Video SVC. Video SVC. Now we have the video SVC here, so that is good. And then we have to just run the check command to check our work and ensure that we pass. So check, it's question number 17, I believe. Boom. So now we can see we have successfully passed question number 17. So if you are able to take these steps that we have done here, then actually I can guarantee you that when you see such a question, you will be able to clear the points. But if it's new to you, just keep on practicing this, and then you will become very used to it, and it will be very easy for you during the exams time. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also give this video a thumbs up. That's the best you could do to support your friend. So without further much ado, I wish you good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.